Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Rava Kitchedi. Rava Kitchedi is a South Indian breakfast menu. It goes well with coconut chutney. You can add a lot of vegetables like carrot, beans, cauliflower, capsicum to Rava Kitchedi. It gives nice texture and nutrient to Kitchedi. Um, just ensure whether Rava is roasted. If you make in unroasted Rava sooji, then it turns into pasty and soggy. So now come, let's go into the video how to make Rava Kitchedi. On the stove, heat the kadai, pour 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil. Grease the kadai so that it won't stick. Then pour 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the oil is ready, season it with mustard seeds and broken urad dal. Add little hing. Then add green chilies. Then add chopped ginger. Sort it well. Then add 1 big chopped onion. Sort that also well. Then slowly add the vegetables, carrot, beans. Green peas. Cauliflower. Sort everything well and add less amount of salt for this vegetable alone. Add curry leaf. Add turmeric powder. Sort it well. So close it with lid for 5 minutes. So once the vegetables are cooked, pour water. For 1 cup of rava, you need 400 ml of water. When water pops up and come nicely, at that time in one hand add rava, in another hand sort it nicely. Then only rava gets cooked evenly. Otherwise, it will become a ball shaped plumpy and one part of rava won't get cooked nicely and another part of rava gets like a pasty form. So now the vegetables are ready. In this stage add 500 ml of water, 400 ml for rava and 100 ml for vegetable. Keep it till the water pop-ups and come. Add required amount of salt. So in this stage add rava, mix it nicely. Rava absorbs water fast. So immediately it comes to this stage, Close it with the lid for 10 minutes in sim. Then open the lid. Sort it nicely. See how beautifully yellow color Rava Kitchedi has come with beautiful vegetables. Now Rava Kitchedi is ready for morning breakfast.